What's up everyone, ReggieTECH here. I hope you're all doing well and thanks for tuning into the channel today. On our last video we did an unboxing of the beautiful Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e, and what better way to protect your investment than to add a screen protector to it. So in this video we're going to be both reviewing and installing the Omoton tempered glass screen protector for this tablet. Now this screen protector is also said to fit the Galaxy Tab S6, so if you're also looking for a screen protector for that, this may be a good option. But there's only one way to find out if it's a good screen protector and if it's worthwhile checking out. So let's go ahead and get straight into this review and installation. Alrighty, so here is the box for that screen protector. Up at the top it says Glass Screen Pro Plus, tells you that it's premium tempered. It gives you the company's name right here, which is Omoton. It tells you that it is a 3-pack, so you get 3 screen protectors in this packaging. Tells you that it's premium tempered one more time. Down here it tells you some more information, that it's 9H hardness, scratch resistant, ultra clear, fingerprint resistant, and then they also give the company's website. On this side it just gives you a barcode with a SKU as well as the description of the product. Down here you get some more information about this screen protector. It says once again that it's 9H hardness, that it's explosion proof, that it has an oleophobic coating, that it is scratch and wear resistant, it has high definition vision, so that means that it must be crystal clear, and we'll test that out in just a little bit, and that it has nanotechnology built in. It has that nanoplating coating processing. So that's it's quite a mouthful right there in that one statement. But that's it for the front of the box. It just has this little security tape wrapping around, and on the back it says fragile. So that's it for the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alrighty, so it doesn't split down the center. Might just have to cut it up at the top. There we go, and it opens. Once it's open, you do see this little card that you can register your product for that lifetime guarantee warranty, and you can redeem that. You can also scan their little QR code right here and get directly to their site or email them. Next up, we get the installation kit. So it looks like we get some dust absorbers, we get some guide stickers. Let's go ahead and open this up and see how much of everything we get. So we get a total of 3 of these sticker sets right here, which is perfect for the 3 screen protectors. We get 1 microfiber cloth. We get a total of 4 cleaning wipes. I thought one side was a cleaning wipe and the other side was a drying wipe. Sometimes you see that in screen protectors. But we get 4 cleaning wipes, which is great. And then you get a satisfaction card. If you're satisfied, go ahead and leave them a review, they say. After we get done with all that stuff, we get the 3 screen protectors in the kit. So we're going to go ahead and open one and we'll see how it looks. So this screen protector is truly crystal clear. You can see right through it, but the true test will be to see if it changes the quality of the screen's picture at all while it's on. So let's go ahead and turn on this tablet and we will check out how the screen looks before and after. So as you guys can already tell, I have not set up this tablet yet, and I'm just turning it on for the purposes of this screen protector review. So as we can see, the screen looks beautiful. The colors that we can see here right now look beautiful as well. The screen feels super smooth. The touch sensitivity is perfect. As soon as you tap something, it'll respond. So that's amazing. So now it's time to install that screen protector and see if anything has changed. See if the screen quality has changed, if the sensitivity of the screen has changed, and we'll find that out right now. I'm just going to go ahead and power off this tablet before we get started with putting on that screen protector. Alright, so the first thing I like to do before starting a screen protector installation is make sure my hands are clean. So I wash my hands and everything. Next up, we're going to go ahead and take a cleaning wipe. So after we open up this cleaning wipe, we're just going to clean this screen very vigorously and make sure that it's completely clean, as well as that there's no dust or any kind of, you know, thing on the screen right now, any kind of oils or anything that can hinder the screen protector from both adhering properly as well as being installed nice and perfect. Alright, and once we're done wiping the screen, we can take that microfiber out of the little bag that it came in, and we can wipe down the screen just to get rid of all the excess moisture, as well as streaks that may have come from wiping it down with that alcohol wipe. And I'm just going to do a little quick inspection, make sure there's no dust or anything on the screen. Alright, and once that screen is clean to your liking, the next step is just to grab that screen protector. We're going to actually apply these guide stickers to it, and we'll see if that helps with the installation. So we'll grab the guide stickers. Oops. Looks like the adhesive was too strong, it actually ripped apart the paper. But just grab it like that. We'll make sure that we're putting this on the side that's actually going to be facing up and not the side that has the, you know, the little film for the adhesive side. So we'll go ahead and put this guide sticker right here. I don't want to put it right over the camera because I want to make sure that I line everything up properly. Alright, grab another guide sticker here, put it right on this side, and then now we can just go ahead and remove this film from the back of the screen protector. We can then hold it by the guide sticker and make sure that we line everything up. Now, the thing to make sure that you line up the most is that camera, because that's going to be your center of the screen up at the top. Then after that, all you're going to have to do is make sure that all the edges are lined up as well. And that looks pretty good to me, so we're just going to drop it down into place. And we'll let that screen protector adhere. And there we have it. The screen protector is now installed on the screen, and it was a flawless installation. So let's get rid of those guide stickers. Let's go ahead and turn on the tablet, and we'll see if this screen protector being on the screen changes anything related to screen quality or screen sensitivity. Alright, now that the tablet is turned on, from what I can see here on the screen myself, there is no change in any kind of picture quality whatsoever. Let's go ahead and tap on this. The touch sensitivity is exactly the same. I am tapping very lightly on the screen and it is recognizing my touch, which is great. So everyone, overall, I really do like this screen protector. I thought that the installation was super simple and it went flawlessly due to them giving you everything that you need to install this in the packet. You get those guide stickers, you get the alcohol pad, you get the microfiber cloth. It gives you everything you could possibly need to install a screen protector, and it made the process super simple. The adhesive that's on the back of the screen protector, it went down really nicely, as you guys saw that line, and then everything just kind of flattened out. That screen protector adhered really, really well to the screen. On top of that, it doesn't affect the touch sensitivity at all on the screen, and it doesn't affect the screen's picture quality either, from the colors that we could see, that were displayed in this video. So overall, if you guys are looking for a screen protector for your Galaxy Tab S5e or S6, I would say definitely consider checking this one out. And if you want to check it out, I'll be leaving a link to it down in that description box below. So you can go look there for that link and you can go and look at the product and maybe purchase it yourself. So you guys, that's about it for this review and installation of the Omoton Premium Tempered Glass Screen Protector. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button down below and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit that little notifications bell in that corner, and you'll be notified anytime I make any videos and I post them. And if you guys want to check out the unboxing video I did for this Galaxy Tab S5e, go ahead and click on one of these corners. I'll be listing it up there. And I'll also be doing a case review. So I purchased a case for this Galaxy Tab S5e, and I'll be doing a review on that as well. The fit of that case, as well as if, well, both this screen protector and the case will, work together. Other than that, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all stay well, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.